gabi na.
May ilaw-ilaw. Ito parang Boracay na, no? Dito kami, puro sa'yo.
Para man lang dun sa mga hindi nakapunta, panood na lang natin.
Si Ate Weng ba na nagpunta na ikot na rin to?
Mag-tour guide kayo.
Hello.
Ano sinakyan mo?
Bus.
Sentosa Beach.
Bus.
Please alight here for the Sentosa Luge and Skyline, bicycle shop, and a good selection of food and beverage outlets and retail shops. Don't forget your belongings. Enjoy your day at the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please remain seated while the tram is moving. Thank you.
Abot pa yung nag-Tuesday eh. Baka lang yun. Dito kami
Ha?
Dito kami, Common Mall.
Diyan yung sa company mo? Ah.
Sentosa Beach. This stop will take you to Sentosa Beach Resort and Cabo Del Mar. Do remember to take your belongings with you. Have a great day.
Bakit? Iloso Beach.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please remain seated while the tram is moving. Thank you.
Ano naman tong ginagawa? Ginagawa pala.
Church?
Artificial surf? Ganon?
Surf tayo. Ano yun, surf?
Ha?
Surf?
Oo. Artificial na mga waves.